Convert bytes to a string. I captured the standard output of an external program into a bytes object. I want to convert that to a normal Python string, so that I can print it like this. I tried the bynasty b2a_qp method, but got the same bytes object again. How do I convert the bytes object to a str with Python 3?
Decode the bytes object to produce a string. The above example assumes that the bytes object is in UTF-8 because it is a common encoding. However, you should use the encoding your data is actually in.
Decode the byte string and turn it into a character, Unicode, string. Python 3 or Python 2 or
This joins together a list of bytes into a string.
If you don't know the encoding, then to read binary input into string in Python 3 and Python 2 compatible way, use the ancient MS-DOS CP437 encoding. Because encoding is unknown, expect non-English symbols to translate to characters of CP437. English characters are not translated, because they match in most single byte encodings in UTF-8. Decoding arbitrary binary input to UTF-8 is unsafe, because you may get this. The same applies to Latin 1, which was popular, the default, for Python 2. See the missing points in code page layout, it is where Python chokes with infamous ordinal not in range. Update 20,150,604, there are rumors that Python 3 has the surrogate escape error strategy for encoding stuff into binary data without data loss and crashes, but it needs conversion tests, binary, str, binary, to validate both performance and reliability. Update 20,170,116, thanks to comment by Niru, there is also a possibility to /escape all unknown bytes with \replace error handler. That works only for Python 3, so even with this workaround you will still get inconsistent output from different Python versions. See Python's Unicode support for details. Update 20,170,119, I decided to implement /escaping decode that works for both Python 2 and Python 3. It should be slower than the CP437 solution, but it should produce identical results on every Python version.
I will challenge